Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aidan.
And we are headed down to the neighborhood entryway to start removing liriope, which I've wanted to get rid of for a decade.
Yes.
And poor Aidan, it's a gorgeous Friday afternoon in February, and what is he doing in his free time? He's gonna be digging out liriope.
Yep.
Well, we can't wait to show you our progress. This is a big project, by the way. Liriope is it's well rooted and there's a lot of it. So we're not gonna try and get it all done today, although I was just saying maybe we'll surprise ourselves. But if we could just get one section done, that would be
amazing.
Huge. So send us good vibes, and I hope you enjoy this time lapse of watching us work really hard. Well, I'm thrilled that we got this whole edge completely dug out. Aidan is still in the process of digging. I just went and got some ground-aged pine bark mulch and some pink muley, some white muley grass, some Juncus effusus blue arrows, and some Chasmanthium latifolium, the native river oats. And I'm basically just going to rake out and clean this section of the bed. I'm gonna put the mulch down, and then we'll get these ornamental grasses planted in here. And long term, that's gonna be really beautiful, so much prettier than that ugly, pointless liriope. Again, I did not plant that liriope, I inherited it, and I do not recommend it. It spreads. It always looks bad. You have to cut it back, but it's really hard to do. Like, the lawnmower doesn't cut it very well, so you have to do it by hand. It's a lot of work. And it's just really a pointless non-native grass. When you have better native alternatives that are gonna be lower maintenance and look better, that is the better decision to make. And I'm super happy that we've pulled this Band-Aid off and are actually doing it. Because Aidan, I said this in the weekly garden tour, but Aidan was the original helper maintaining this bed. That was a decade. So it's been 10 years that we've been maintaining this. 10 years that I've been talking smack about this liriope. I'm really glad that we're finally dealing with it. Well, I hope you'll all agree that this is a huge transformation from all that ugly liriope that was here. And Aidan got this other side dug out too. So we are about halfway done removing the liriope. We've got more here and obviously a big section over there. But we're tired for the day. I think we did a good job. And just so you all know what we planted, we did Chasmanthium latifolium, the sea oats, on both sides, and then the blue arrow Juncus across the very front, and then pink muley and white muley grass. And really, I think when these all grow out and flower in the fall, it's going to be breathtaking. I think people will actually come up here to take pictures. And you can see we did go ahead and mulch the section that we planted with the ground-aged pine bark. So this one little area looks complete. Mission accomplished. Well, I want to give special thanks to Aidan, who isn't even feeling very well. He just worked his tail off digging this liriope out. And I hope all of you will be inspired by this as well. If you have, big overgrown stands of liriope, maybe this is the year that you go ahead and rip that Band-Aid off and pull it out as well, and go ahead and replace it with some native ornamental grasses that are sure to be so much more beautiful and lower maintenance and just altogether better. Well, be sure to subscribe. Please give us a like. We have a lot of really cool plans for this neighborhood entry because Carolina Native is super stoked to donate plants to it. So we're going to continue making progress out here. And we look forward to sharing more updates. So thanks for watching, everybody.